Morning student. Today I am going to teach class 3 chapter 2 EVS similarities and differences between living beings. What are the similarities and differences between living beings? Now, as we have read that plants, animal and human being all are living beings. We have read in the previous chapter that plants, animals and human beings, they are what? They are all living beings, but they also differ from each other in certain ways. These living beings, they differ from each other in many ways. Now animals and human beings are similar in many ways. Animals and human beings are similar in many ways. How? Animals walk like us. Both have sense organ, that is eyes, nose, ear, tongue and skin. We human being also have all these things. Both animals and human being have similar needs such as food, water and shelter. As human being need food, water and shelter, animal also need these things. Both breathe to remain alive. Either it might be animal or it might be human being. Both of them, they require air for breathing to stay alive. Animals have babies like us. Many animals, what they do? They give birth to young ones. As human being give birth to young one, many animals are there that also give birth to young one. A lion gives birth to cub. A cat gives birth to kitten. Birds, what they do? They lay eggs. Birds, what they do? They lay eggs. Now we will be learning about differences between animals and human beings. What are the differences between animal and human beings? There are many differences between animals and human beings. What are there? We will be discussing one by one. Most animals have 4 legs and a tail. Most animal, what they have? 4 legs and a tail. Animals walk on all 4 legs while a man walks on 2 legs. As we have seen, all animals, they walk with all 4 legs, but human being, what they do? They walk with 2 legs only. Neither does a man have a tail. As animals have tails, human beings do not have any tails present in them. Animals have a big and sharp teeth. Animals which eat meat have very sharp teeth to tear the flesh. Many animals have horns. See, you can see the horns here. So many animals are there that have horns. Birds can fly. Each animal has a different way of speaking. Each animal, what they have? They have different ways of speaking. Now whatever I have discussed here, like animal have big and sharp teeth. Human beings, what they have? They also have teeth, but they are small. When many animals have horns, human being do not have horns. Now here is an activity. We have to, what we have to do? We have to match their sound. What type of sound these animal makes, we have to match them. Now this is cat. What it does? Cat mews. Dog barks. Lion roars. Crow cows. Sheep bleats. Now similarities between plants and human being. What are the similarities between plants and human being? Like human beings and animals, plants also need air and water to live. As human being cannot survive without air and water, plants also cannot survive without air and water. Plants absorb water from the soil through roots. Let us do an experiment to prove this. Now take two potted plants. Take two potted plants. Keep one plain plant outside in the sun. Water it every day. Now take one pot, plant in that, water it every day, and keep one pot out in the sun. Keep the other pot inside a cardboard. Now keep the other pot inside a cardboard. Do not give water to that plant. After a week, what we will find? We will find that the plant in the cardboard has withered away. Means the plant that is in the cardboard has withered, means it will die. Whereas the plant that is kept outside and watered regularly stay alive and it grows. Plants also need food to live, but plants make their own food. Plants also need food to live, but what does plant do? It can make their own food. Plants use air, water and sunlight to make food. This process by which plant use air, water, sunlight to make food is called photosynthesis. The process by which plant make its own food by the help of air, water, sunlight, carbon dioxide is called photosynthesis. Number 3, plants also breathe. They breathe with the help of stomata present in their leaves. Human being also breathe. Human being, they breathe with what? They breathe with their lungs. Number 4, plants also grow. Like human being, plants also grow. Not only human being, but animals, plants and human being and animals, plants also grow like them. Number 5, plants also reproduce. Plants also reproduce like animal and human being. Plant reproduce mainly through seeds. Now we will be discussing about differences between plants and human being. Plants and human being. First point, plants do not have sense organ like eyes, nose, ear, etc. Whereas human being have all these sense organ. Number 2, plant do not move from one place to another like us. So we human being and animal, what we do? We move from one place to another. However, some plants, what they do? They show movement, but in different way. Like sunflower, what it does? It faces towards the direction of the sun. Number 3, plants do not talk or speak, but human being, we use both. We talk also, we speak also. Number 4, plants do not have a brain like us to act or think. Plants, they don't have brain like human being to act or think. What to do and what not to do, human being can think that, but plants cannot think that.